Here is how you can create an Epic Games account. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can create an Epic Games account. So let's start. First of all, open any browser. Then after type Epic Games in the search bar and search for it. Now open the official website of Epic Games. After clicking on the link, you will come to a website like this. This is the official website of Epic Games. Now in order to create an Epic Games account, tap on this profile like icon. Then it will lead you to a screen like this. In order to create a new Epic Games account, you can simply continue with the options that are made available. So you can use any of your Facebook account or Google account or any of these options in order to create your Epic Games account. Click on any option that you want to use. Then after it will ask you to log into that specific account. As you complete the login process, your Epic Games account will be automatically created. Then after you can easily log into Epic Games by using that specific media. So in this way you can create a new Epic Games account. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you find this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.